word, but I thought they were talking about genetics as well. Well, we know from psychology that 50%, 30 to 50% of our happiness and optimism is genetic. We get it from our parents, our grandparents. We can't change anything to that. That's genetical. You know these families where they're always whistling and singing, and these families who are always complaining. You know these families? One's family is always yours, the other is your mother-in-law, but that's another story. But we know this, we feel this, you feel this immediately. It's 50%, 30 to 50%. 10% is due to the circumstances. That's the job we have, the car we have, the garden, the dog, the thing we are focusing on every day. That's only 10% of our happiness. Leaves 40%. 40% is left for what is in between our ears. That's the mindset. That's the way we look at things. Don't you believe that happy people experience more happy things? No. We all experience more or less the same in our life. But happy people succeed in giving a double weight to the positive things, and pessimistic people, negative people, unhappy people give a double weight to the negative things. That's the choice we all have. And when does this work as well? Let's see. The happier life, the better world. And let's start with a game. I'm asking you a question. You have 15 seconds to print in your head a happy moment in your life. Just don't take your wedding party or the birth of your children, that's a cliche. Just take some happy moment in your life. Are you there? Does everybody? It's private. I'm not going to... It's private. Okay, you have it? Everybody take a picture of that happy moment in your life. You have this? Everybody has? Are you ready? Then I'll give you 4 characteristics of your happy moment. And you count how many of these characteristics do you recognize in your happy moment. Okay? First characteristic is there is no money involved. It didn't cost very much, your happy moment. If that is true for you, you count 1. Maybe it has cost some money, but not that very much. Second thing, it is a kind of surprise. It is unexpected. It's something out of routine. If that is true for you, you count 2. If that's not true, you don't count anything. Third thing, you're not alone on that picture. There are other people on the picture. And if you're alone, you're thinking about other people at that moment, and that makes you happy. If that's true, count 3. And the fourth thing is, you get some kind of positive feedback. You get an applause, an appreciation. Someone says you're good at it. You get a kiss, something like that. Count now, how many of these 4 characteristics do you recognize in your happy moment? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Have you done it? Please put up your hand if you recognize 2 or more of these characteristics in your happy moment. Put up your hand if you recognize 2 or more. Look around, look around, look around. It's great, thank you. When I ask this question in audiences all over the world for 1,000 people, more than 900 people put up their hand and say, I recognize these things in my happy moment.